You gonna say hi to anybody? Hiccup. Hiccup. Hiccup.
Military academy in the center of the city. Rebels had marched into the capital from the western mountains to set up their base. The rebels here were initially optimistic, lulled by recent battlefield victories.
Hiccup.
Green Square, now called Murder Square, was the scene of rebel celebrations last night, but today it was no longer firmly under rebel control. We were told it was too dangerous to go there, and despite rebel